Hey mathematicians, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use this form. So you'll notice that the only questions that have the red stars by them, which means they're required, are your last name, first name, and what class you're in. That is because I know we all get interrupted sometimes, right? Like let's say you've gotten started on the assignment, but somebody calls you to dinner, you want to make sure that you have your work saved. As long as you have those three problems in there, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and you can click submit and it will save all the work that you've done. And if you go back and click on the link, it'll allow you to edit your response afterwards so that you can just come back to it. Another really important thing is that this Google form tells you whether or not you're doing the work correctly while you're doing it. So let's say I'm working on number 1A here, and it asks me what operation is with the variable in the equation below. I'm going to deliberately type in the wrong answer, okay, because if you look at this, there's addition happening with the variable because it's x plus 5. But I'm going to type in the wrong answer just so you can see what happens. I'm going to try to go to the next answer, and it gives me this little, keep trying, don't worry, you'll get it. Okay, so that tells me that I'm not doing it correctly. If I try to scroll down and click the submit button, it won't let me submit a wrong answer. So if you get stuck, like let's say you've tried a couple of different answers for 1A, just delete your answer, because as you've already seen, you can submit an answer blank, and go ahead and click submit and then reach out to your teacher for help. Say, hey, this is what I tried on number 1A, but I'm not getting it right for some reason. And your teacher will help you so that you'll be able to go back and complete that.